Hello everybody, so let's take a look at this utility that has been made with Claude. It's very simple, but can give you an idea of how to build something similar for something else you could do. And I've just asked Claude, I made it in 3 steps. First of all, I told him to create a code in Python to write on an image, make a GUI, graphic user interface, choose the image with an input text to insert the text on the image. In the GUI, make a canvas to drop and show the image. The drop things did not work, but add also a button with the position to point with the mouse where to put the image loaded, where to put the text. I made a mistake here, loaded and shown on the canvas. Okay, he made the first version. Then I asked to add something like make a color picker for the font, the background of the text. And then I also asked him to make it possible to choose the size of the font and to add a button to save the image. So let's see the third result, that is this one, and you will find on my blog post. And let's run it. As you can see, this is the graphic interface that he made with Kinter, I guess, yes. So I can choose the image. Let's take this image. Now I will write into here the name of this character here, and I will eventually choose. I just adjusted the background to be a little more height, and I added 10 pixels because otherwise the background was not. Here is at line 141. If you want to change this manually, I added here text underscore height plus 10 at line 141, so that the background of the color of the background is more adapted to the text. So I write this text here. Now I get to let's see if I add text. I think it will add it. You see here it says please choose an image and set the position of the text. So I can go here and position the text. I want to place it here. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the text. So here it is. I cannot move it. Maybe I can ask Claude to be able to move this one on the screen. I don't know. And then I can do save the image, and so I will call it like Angelo, like this. And so there is another file that it has this name, so I will call it Angelo2. Now the image is saved, and if you go into here, we should find it. Here it is with the writing here. So it works. It's kind of simple. Hope you like it. And as I said, we could ask Angel to be able to move this around. Maybe we can try it. I say make it possible to drag the text around the image to position it as the user wants. Let's see if it is capable of doing it. He says that certainly, when he thinks he can do it. Modify the code to allow dragging the text around the image for positioning. This will provide a more interactive and intuitive way to place the text exactly where the user wants it. So now he is making it. I don't know if... Okay, when the chat is becoming longer, and as you see, as you may have experienced it, when it becomes longer for Claude, it starts to be more difficult to carry on with the things he has to do. Let's see if he made what we want him to do. The prompt is very important to make him do what we want to do, so we get to be clear and very explicit. Otherwise, let's see if okay, let's choose the image. Let's choose back this one here. Let's write in here the same name as before. Let's choose the character. Oh, this is a new thing that there wasn't before, I think. I don't know. It makes me see how it changes. Let's see what happens if I change the... Oh, okay. And let's see if I can drag it. Oh, he has made it. It's kind of very impressive. I can change. As you can see now, it goes a little slower. Okay, now it goes faster when so if I position the first time. Okay, you can see this is very useful because I can really drag it. I can use any paint or something to do it, but I wanted to make this experiment here. Okay, so now I choose the image. It doesn't ask me to position it because it starts positioning it in some here in this position at the beginning, and then it makes me drag it. So there is not the position thing there button, and it's more intuitive. I think it's a lot better than the previous one. Let's see if I clear the text. And now this button works that before it didn't work. Let's try to change the text in here, and let me see, choose the background color. Okay, once you choose the background color, it makes me see where it is and I can drag it, or when I choose to change it. So it's quite usable. I like it. And okay, this is my utility, and you will find it in the info. Maybe not just now that I upload the video. Come back to see it in the info, because I need to create the blog post. So I am going to upload the video, and maybe for the first day or two you will not find the code. So come back later to see the code if you are interested in looking at it. Thank you. Now I can save the image. Let me call it like A1 and see if it has saved it. Here it is, A1. And okay, everything is fine. Maybe I could position this rectangle manually a little bit up. Okay, here, but you can do it going into the code and modifying it, because it looks just a little different from the preview image here, because here it seems that it's a little bit different. Let me save it again just to see. Okay, for some reason we don't have the black rectangle around here. It's like it's a little bit cut, and maybe we have to look into the code and change this, because you see here I can see it clearly. And let me try to put like a 28. Maybe it's a matter of the sides of the character. me save it as A3 and see if it's, yes, it's a little bit cut here because I don't know, you should look into the code, but for the moment I like as it is, and see you next time. Thank you.